Welcome to Qlik. Today, you can easily add advanced spreadsheet capabilities to your Qlik Sense applications. And here is how it works. Start Qlik by adding the extension to the Qlik Sense application. Copy data from Qlik objects into a spreadsheet and enjoy an Excel-like experience within the Qlik ecosystem. Design your layout based on your business needs and take advantage of spreadsheet functionalities. Add your own data and combine them with Qlik Sense reports by using your existing Excel skills. In addition, use the toolbar to format the layout and edit your data in order to build complicated scenarios. Qlik allows you to use Excel-like formulas and to increase your calculating power with no line of code, creating a powerful data generator for better analytics. Then, write back your analysis into the Qlik application and convert them into valuable insights by using Excel functionality. Qlik offers a very flexible environment, enabling the user to combine Qlik data with new data input and reinforces self-service analysis. It allows you to integrate the benefits of a spreadsheet into the Qlik environment and take advantage of Qlik user interface. Any user interaction with Qlik Sense affects your spreadsheet data. Upload your Excel-based business templates into Qlik Sense, and then combine business intelligence with spreadsheet flexibility. Qlik brings Excel into Qlik Sense world, enriching the user experience and accelerates the speed to insights.